Hi my beauty junkies, welcome back to my channel. I got my first Boxycharm. I'm super excited. I've been contemplating for so long if I should join Boxycharm. Like, I had Ipsy for a very long time and I would get off of it on and off, on and off, on and off, like a year or two, and then stop for a year and then go back on it. But my friends and family convinced me that Boxycharm is life. So I got my first Boxycharm. This is April's Boxycharm, and I did see the previews, which suck. I follow Boxycharm on my Instagram, and I'm seeing the previews of what you're gonna get, and I kind of don't want to do that this time. Like next month, I really don't want to know. I don't want to look at the sneak peeks. I just want to be surprised. But in here, you get a card. It's eye candy. And these are products that are in my box, and this was picked by these influencers that are here. So let's get into it. So the first thing in here is Dr. Brandt's Pour and No More Vacuum Cleaner, and this is $47. So this is a $21 month box, so it's $21 a month. And this already is like, pays for your box. This is $47. God, I hope this is not literally the size of the product and it's $47, because that's ridiculous. That's expensive. So it's a pore cleaner. I haven't tried it yet, so I hope it's good. I heard a lot of good things about this brand, so we will see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is something called High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is $24. This is a full size. Now, I kind of didn't want to open this. I'm just going to show you. I'm not even going to swatch because I'm going to put this in a giveaway that I'm having. I'm having another giveaway on my Instagram, on my YouTube. I'm going to show it on both. And it's going to include 2 products from this Boxycharm and a lot of other goodies stuck together. So this is what it is. I'm not gonna swatch. You saw what it is. $24, like a mauve color. The next thing in here is the Brow Gals, $22 tinted eyebrow gel, and I've never tried anything from the Brow Gal, and of course I'm going to keep that for myself because, you know, it's super cute, super small, which I like. You can get really in there. Can't wait to try that this weekend. I'm excited. The next thing I'm going to grab in here is something I'm super excited. It's $29, and it's Tarte's Pro and Grow Liquid Highlighter. I feel like mine came dark. Like a lot of people got to get a lighter color. I'm just scared. This one's in Sparkler. And what I love about these, I will squirt a little. Ooh, that's pretty. What I like about these is things like this. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. That's very pretty. What I like about this is that I like to actually mix these with my liquid foundations. That is like a must and a plus for me. I never like putting it on my own, like on its own. That, not me. This could be for me easily used as an eyeshadow base, and definitely for your foundations. Definitely put this in for your foundations. Like, that's a must. So this is $29. I like that. I'm super excited. Let's go into one of the biggest things in here. The last thing in this box was the big Kahuna one. It was a full size ColourPop palette that goes for $18. Holy moly. Now, this I am not opening. Here's the surprise. This baby is going into my giveaway that's coming really soon. So this will not be open. But I do have the palette already. And this is what it looks inside. Tons of pigmentation in this baby. ColourPop's pigmentation is ridiculous. Like, I will swatch for you right now. I love their palettes, are life. My sleeves down. Holy moly, like, that's ridiculous, right? That's crazy. So ColourPop eyeshadow palettes are crazy. This had me at hello. I love the colors in here. They're freaking awesome. And you're going to get a chance to win it in my giveaway that's coming up. I'm excited. I just need to grab a few more things for this giveaway, and it's going to be big. And I hope you guys get to enter. So that was everything in my Boxycharm. Pretty much definitely totals everything that you're paying $21, and it's crazy how much you're getting in there and how full size they are. I love this month's April box. I'm excited and I cannot wait for May's box. Like, come on, bring it on, Boxycharm. I'm waiting. Please like and comment. And thank you guys for watching. I love doing these videos for you. Please subscribe so you can see you can see more of me. We can do this thing together. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell for any notifications for any new videos I come on with. You will know because I will notify you. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.